The Greedy Boy. Sam and Tom were identical twins. They were so similar that even their mom found it hard to differentiate one from the other, at least during their initial days in the world. However, they were very different from each other when it came to anything besides their appearance. Sam had no friends, while Tom was great at making friendships. Sam enjoyed desserts. However, Tom liked spicy food as well as disliked sugary foods. Sam was mom's boy and Tom was dad's boy. While Sam was generous and also selfless, on the other side, Tom was greedy as well as egocentric. As Tom and Sam both grew up together, their dad wanted to share his fortune equally amongst them. However, Tom didn't agree and he said that whoever will prove to be more intelligent and strong should get the bigger share of fortune. Sam agrees on this. Their dad decided to organize a competition between them. He asked his sons to walk on foot as long as they could and also return home before the sun sets. Hence, the fortune will be divided into the proportion of the distance they covered. The rule of the competition was they were not allowed to carry a watch so as to keep track of the time. On the following day, Sam as well as Tom started to walk. It was rather a warm day. Sam walked slowly and also steadily, while Tom broke into a sprint as he was bent on winning the race as well as also winning a better section of his dad's fortune. Sam recognized that it would be ideal for walking as long as possible till midday and also will begin returning to home at noon, as it would certainly take the same amount of time to walk back to his home. Knowing this, Sam chose to turn back to residence at noontime so as to reach back home on time. On the other hand, Tom, due to his greed to earn more of his dad's fortune, did not attempt to start returning home even until afternoon. He covered twice the distance of what Sam covered, as well as assumed that he would still have the ability to return home prior to sunset. He rushed back when he saw the sunlight turning orange. Sadly, he could not even make it halfway to his home as the sun started to set down. Slowly, darkness engulfed his course and he needed to drag his tired feet back to his home. So finally, he had lost the race just because of his greed. So, the moral of the story is don't be greedy. Greed always leads to a loss.